Hello, so tonight I'm actually going to cook with my Thermocook from 𝗵𝗺𝗵𝗄, and I've been using this machine for a couple of months now, and it comes as this beautiful thing. I usually mainly use it like this as the main machine, but then you can also steam like fish or vegetables on top of this with this little thing, which is amazing. And then this little basket sometimes can go inside also for steaming. And then this I have used to create meringues and some other delicious stuff. And then you also get a spatula with it too. Really, this one is really good because it's actually super stiff, so it doesn't fold when you're trying to get things out. So tonight I'm going to cook just a black bean soup. I am eating a lot of beans lately, so I just use this. Actually, the best make the beans is without oil. So this is what I'm going to do tonight, and make a delicious bean soup. So I'll tell you what are the first things that I put in it and how easy it is to make anything in it. I call it my wife because I just put things in it and then I go to the beach or go and do something and she cooks my dinner for me. So when I get home, it's nice and warm and I can just eat the dinner, which is really delicious and so perfect. So this is literally all the prep that I've done. So I chopped up some tomatoes. I've left the shallots and garlic whole because I'm going to put them into the Thermocook to blend them up. And then I just add the rest for the cooker to make them as well. So I'll just show you what that looks like in the blender. So that's been made for 20 minutes. As you can see, it actually heats it up and my potatoes are still full, whereas all the other vegetables are nice and grounded. So I'm just going to serve this up. So there you have it, my beautiful little fast and easy soup with minimal effort from myself, and the dinner is made. So yeah, I've made so many beautiful dishes, from, like I say, steamed vegetables to steamed fish to doing soups and stews and meringues, and even just there is an abundance of things that you can make. So if I can, I'll link it down below, and if you wanted to check out their products, I also own their juicer, which I really love, and I do all of my celery juice and that, and yeah, now I have my wife, so it's been an incredible products to have. So I'll link down the links below if you wanted to get one, and you can use my code 𝗵𝗺𝗆10 to get a little % off. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.